Samsung has finally dropped the official teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its upcoming Unpacked event, and I've got some fresh updates to share with you. From real-life images showcasing the phone's ultra-thin bezels to exciting pre-order perks and news about T2 wireless charging, there's a lot to unpack. Let's dive in. Samsung recently revealed a teaser for its Galaxy S25 lineup, focusing on the brand's new AI capabilities. The teaser introduces what Samsung calls your true AI companion, a new feature expected to be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. This new AI is part of Samsung's ongoing push to enhance their devices with cutting-edge technology. If you haven't already, make sure you mark January 22nd on your calendar because it's a date you won't want to miss. In addition to the AI features, there's exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S25's release schedule. Pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra will begin on January 22nd, but the slim variant won't be available until later in the year. Samsung is sweetening the deal for those looking to reserve their spot early, offering $50 for free just for signing up. No payment information is needed to claim this, and you can use the $50 once pre-orders open. Plus, one lucky person who reserves will win $5,000, making it even more enticing. What's even better? There's no obligation, so if you change your mind, simply ignore Samsung's follow-up email on January 22nd. So, don't miss out on the chance to get in on these perks. Samsung is also adding some intriguing freebies to their pre-order benefits. Although exact details haven't been revealed yet, Samsung typically offers things like storage upgrades, better trade-in deals, or even free accessories. This year, however, there's a new bonus: free access to Google's Gemini Advanced AI. Gemini Advance, normally priced at $20 per month, will be available for free with your Galaxy S25 purchase. Depending on which model you choose, you'll get different levels of access to Gemini Advance. The standard Galaxy S25 comes with 3 months free, the S25 Plus gives you 6 months, and if you opt for the S25 Ultra, you'll get a full year of Gemini Advance for free, an impressive $240 value. Gemini Advance offers enhanced AI features, making it a perfect addition to Samsung's focus on pushing the boundaries of AI in their S25 lineup. Moving on to design, we've seen rumors that the S25 Ultra would have the thinnest bezels on any mainstream smartphone, and now we have proof. A real-life image shared by Ice Universe shows the right side of the phone, and those bezels are incredibly slim. This isn't just a polished render, it's an actual photo, making it even more compelling. While the frame blending into the background might make the bezels appear even thinner than they actually are, they are still remarkably sleek. Samsung is clearly going all out to redefine smartphone design with the S25 series. Finally, there's exciting news about T2 wireless charging. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, which sets wireless charging standards, has confirmed that T2 wireless charging will be included in Samsung Galaxy devices in 2025.